Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Hashim Altal, and today we've got an exciting comparison between two powerful leaf blowers. If you're looking for a strong and efficient tool for your yard, get ready to watch this comparison between the Geo Power Plus leaf blower and the Toro 516-1 Ultra Electric Blower Vacuum. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the Geo Power Leaf Blower. This cordless blower delivers a powerful 670 CFM cubic feet per minute, meaning it moves a large amount of air at high speed. It features a 56 volts rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about cords or finding an outlet. You're free to move around with ease. Plus, the battery offers long-lasting use, which means you can get the job done efficiently. Next, let's take a look at the Toro 51621 Ultra Electric Blower Vacuum. This blower offers a speed of up to 250 mph, which is plenty strong to clear leaves and debris. However, here's the catch: the Toro relies on a continuous power source, meaning you're limited to working in areas with access to electricity. On the other hand, the Geo Power Plus gives you the freedom to work anywhere without being tethered to a cord. Performance power: the Geo Power Plus outperforms the Toro 516-1 with a 670 CFM airflow, while the Toro offers only 350 CFM battery. Here, Geo Power Plus takes the lead, thanks to its 56 volts battery that provides long-lasting, cordless operation. The Toro 51621, on the other hand, requires a constant power connection. Design and weight: both blowers are lightweight, but the Geo Power offers greater comfort with its cordless design, making it easier to move around. Additional features: the Toro 51621 offers vacuuming capabilities in addition to blowing, but the Geo Power Plus excels in blowing power with its battery performance, making the vacuum feature less necessary. Now, let's talk about the price. If you're wondering about the cost of the Geo Power Plus, you can pay through a firm, making it affordable at just $23.02 per month for 12 months. This is a great option if you don't want to pay the full price upfront. On the other hand, the Toro 51621 tends to be more expensive and requires an upfront payment. To sum it up, if you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use, and convenient cordless blower, the Geo Power Leaf Blower is definitely the way to go. But if you need a multifunctional tool with vacuum capabilities, the Toro 51621 is a solid choice, though it does require a constant power connection. Let me know in the comments below which blower you prefer, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching.